no company inspector mu office of the registrar na opeso obi company mo nso amu bia bi dada ne mu amu nam kwa mu anze ze no de sika no ha ne o nyame ya adom a kakra boaboa ye coins na no ye den sika ho awanzan kofi ende hia pese mko bi enchine be kakra no obi so ye adwuma ma meko ho mo akwankyere ne kakra so ne be ye enti Nhyira Emmanuel Sarfo-Kyei ewa bra machi
enya
bibia boko de adom ne mpai bo ye ho ye. First of all mami misao as a company inspector ujumedi angasa ne say let me start from you.
Okay. Adawasina wachia utifu anope wo akwenya isi ya modi amai na Office of the Registrar of Companies eye aban edumeku a ye share edumedi ase acheyi.
Okay.
Enye nei asem ye share in the year 1961 as a department under the
61.
Yes.
Wow.
Under Registrar General Department.
Okay.
Na ye ni omudi Gitaon edumedi boma for so many years.
Right.
Unto Mrea Ghana buying far Parliament in Mrea, so the Companies Act 2019 Act 992.
Okay.
Eti yehu a free Registrar General Department asi senebeya ye dwumedi na ye gino ye no anware so.
Okay.
Na as part of the provisions of the new Companies Act na me bo din no. Na was say registrar and I say penny other Office of the Registrar of Companies are no appointed inspectors.
Okay.
Now inspectors and I say the objectives and I say mandates of Registrar
Companies.
Mandates of Office of the Registrar of Companies.
Right.
Yes, say ebe kono one and I say ebe ko send a manoti and I say say echo.
Right. Now Office of the Registrar of Companies. Ne because the mandate a boss yi any sign wo Ghana ha say ye kasa office na ni dwumedi ankasa poti ni dey.
Okay, so under section 353 of the Companies Act 2019 Act 992 no.
Right.
Ye buta ye ni say ye chocho nyuma din eni nyuma ko din.
Okay.
Nyuma te say ankwankwan adwuma potoka sa me friend sole proprietorship.
Okay.
Obi kra be friend one man business.
Okay.
Yes, also register ni padodo adwuma ebi ni partnerships. Ebi nso ni companies no yo mu ahodo mi no. Ye wo de pemfa so na de yen fam pemfa so
to boase mai enti de edikan no se me ama koye me container e de asikwan na mabie madwuma no eno saa no metimi a register
me ba twan
eno eye sole proprietorship no
me ba twan
okay ene ye wo ba konso e bia amansan nya sika akra mesuma nya sika akra enti ni ake ho abom na ye bie company eno saa no ye betimi a register e wo yinyina ye din
me ba twan
enye ni pa ba akode
me ba twan we twan
okay ena wo ka company bi nso a ubebia eno no ye de premfa so ene bi so ayem fam
so ebi ni churches NGOs akuaku
associations sorry ni nyina ye say company no
e was say
we do ya kan se mu we man vo adwini nyina ne se especially one man church they say man vo adwini ne say aye company
emram no e was so register aside
register ne say company
but because a company limited by guarantee company a yen fam pemfa so
okay
now aside say you be register these entities ya said dey back on say you sound so irregularity and I hear say omudwumedie na omudi no mrakwan so
okay
as part of your regulations no you ensure say afibia mu no companies and as entities ana obi bia wa register we aso ye no oba ebe file no annual returns and as we get renewal enu achi no under section 6 of Registration of Business Names Act 1962 Act 151 no state say so obi biara odi ni dwuma die in such a kakra and a Chinese kakra aba ni dwumedie mu no emra mu no or say within 28 days oyi Registrar of Companies asutie se na be ya ye be updating records. Okay. And also form part of regulations. And
say ya ba wadwuma kakra. E say bia me hyase say me ton paboa.
Yes.
And e say de mahu se ntade no so sika wum na me de bia beka ho.
Yes.
Nti say me ba ma mu hu se e say me de ntade abeka ho. Enyam paboa nko a. Okay, na ma anya sa no a no mba me de say me de meji me sika.
Anya sa etiamra.
Sa
etiamra under section 7 of Act 151. Asutwe obo.
Iti
under the mandate now make your last mandate very important last but not the least, that is education. Your bomodia say you be educated the general public for your mandate.
Okay.
Any name also mu ye say na be ya omudwumedie no mudi no e be fa mrakwan so. And as part of education, it may organize sensitization programs.
Okay.
Pro. Me know ka say enano pay. The teams ewo KJT gate 11. Our more register businesses. Ewo ho. Nti say team no pay now wo KJT market. And then import mo
omo wo KJT no.
Yes, gate 11. Na edum Awoju station Melcom side wa another team ewo ho. Ti we ni hihye ya mpanifo dia ba kwam se ne be ya edwumidie na ayedi no ebe ben adwadifo.
Okay. Na so obi am register say ono ana ye ne computer na bi di ahye ne fie anim na unso oto wo so a asase no ya na eso ti bia no atwe akọ inside sa ono wa page stock etu abi ti say wa na atifia na de no ma bi akogum kakra obi twamu anti ama me to ade u sa na wo ye no no say no mi fie man register ade na say ne nti amra na
over my visa question be say auto car.
Okay.
Now so be so using as a private car. Utimi ka say me the car no AUC me twi for be kwa me register.
There be and the black for your munya.
Bibia ye o man mu.
Okay.
Emra ehase under section 4 of Registration of Business Names Act 1962.
Okay.
Act 151 it say we show you me bia say within 2 weeks.
So
also register.
Hey, any man for the car
within 2 weeks it was all register. Obi won ma registration onim so fa so. And I mean nim obi a we register business a woni no ho da.
Okay.
Waka say registration ya me koye yi me nya so fa so.
Right.
Me hu me ti bi da.
Ade no fa so be neba.
En fa so de bebre.
Ja.
De di kan e ma udwumide na udi na edimu.
Okay.
In a sense say udi no wo mrakwan so.
Okay.
Secondly, din na odi betu udwumide no so no. Obi antimi use sa din except wo.
Oh, okay.
Unless opese udwumide na udi no ujai na ye cancel free system ni so. And I say o se sa din no ko defend man ye sa dia nko a obi okura opemwa every aban.
Yeah.
And also opemwa every banks.
Yeah.
Only business registration and I say on register business
bank no
on fee.
Baby I can me the pan so ye the wo kan se obi ntumi mfa wadwuma ne din no. Ko to da bia obi say obi akoye e bia Abostic company omo ne dodo ma papa de ba na abehwe no na obi nso ya no nso akoye Abostic company na bi no nso de ye nti se wo ko hunu kra na so wo chi no a no no mu medical ko register na so abe di kan bi di akire mwa
on say over ye mrem no ye try hwe say yen ensure and I say yen tolerate double registration.
Okay.
So one of the importance of registration be say u register udin ko na ode to so no eboa ma u secure din no
mo bi ti fa bi ma
ba bia utimi kwa fa akire ba be report ni pa ni say udin a udin print no onu so ojusu bi.
Wonderful
na ye hwehwem na say ampa u register eja nipa no ana say we register na nipa no register ya asotwe wo say ye de ma nipa no ye de ma no.
Okay.
And registration no we dey me kaka ho obi wo no ma o se me de me ho me register.
Yeah.
But kan hu ni say obo ade eto nsa frɛw na sɛ wokɔ a wachi no
ebe din
sɛ court ka sɛ o che wajapade a ɛde ne bi di adanse yɛ sɛ dwumadi kro na business kro no ɛyɛ wodia ebi kra o store boy wajama no na oti abuchire baabi
ti ono kra betumi afa
o ka sɛ ne dia ɛja adanse die bɛn ɛna wo be provide a kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ wodia
abusunya nkomo na hu hia wo de yere hu na bi adwuma no na en register ense obu pad good and room ene wo kire wo no be kakra no court be kire wo se wuni adwuma bia anya wo dia na ene ase metimi kra na ntia akofo bi company bi din kra na ma call register na ntemu so on register ya e wo ha daachi se oni ho ana makofa enkrata sa anye wo hu na wo de register net na ho enti abusunya na wo ka bibi about annual reruns. Say annual returns no ne renewals ni ade na ekoso no ne ade renewals no on what grounds? Because manya register why should I renew anything?
O say renewal no say wa register no was say registrar no ehu say udwumidi na wodi no ebusu koso ana exist.
Okay.
Na udi na wodi aba yakora wo ye system mu no yakora Emmanuel ye di fidie na akra nti ye charge fee kakra bi.
Oh, okay.
Se de be ya ye nso will be host corner or Buama, your crowd, Gino. Yes, so you're who payment at Yetimaye. But then they were said, yeah, Ghana insurance, your health insurance, driver's license. Yeah, you renew every document via your issue. Renewal. Okay. But in Baby now, be register and no one on some maybe. Well, registration is easy to the sense, say, Uncle Juma and also proprietorships. Almost me, you see, star 222 hash. Okay. Edu renew on business.
Star 222
star 22 hash.
Okay. Star 22 hash.
They were trying to know about option 4.
Option 4. Okay.
A bit maybe see a short code they are renew business by a company they are at least a Oba office because Oba attach financial reports and sana renewal form and sana waiting.
A young crank for now more registered that but moon renewed that who about 10 years no renewed that no. Yes, Oba star 22 hash. No what you see option 4. A year 322 star 222 hash. It is star 222 hash. Now follow option 4. Now the ayo renewal no correctly. Na bibia to me I fine. Now returns no so say na ye be no.
Returns no air for companies.
Okay, and the big
no, yeah, no your forms are the company be fele. Okay. Omuya na omas ama directors nene secretary no assign. Inti after omu annual general meeting no financial reports near my course work company no matter attach copy to of it. Okay. Now if you the buyer swear now if you timi your filings no am. Oh, okay. Right, that's great. It is here I will say no KGT omo. But one KGT 11. Yes, you made the answer Tuesday. Okay. Now no question. And okay can no and I say outcome no very 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 great. Okay. Yeah down soon that I say binya ni pasa okay. Embo modia complaints are there be enya o you the say min nyamre minti minja me shop mo obi a nti sisia no ye de office no abem abama boboa no ena dum so ye wo ahojo station welcome side o na ya start training programs and I say stakeholder engagement for Nsanujuma for artisans. Okay. Tailors. Hairdressers. Okay. Omuku no, especially omo marriage. Yeah, shall say if omo marriage no. Okay. So, okay. A free Friday yeah, ebe 22nd May. Oh, okay. Ebe training papa amomo. We are members ni nyina so ye be register omo. Kama. Nti say u join ku and I say we ye Nsanujuma for ku penny. I say utia no pay ya but modia say eyemra. Yeah. Say also register a kuna mu head no. Okay. Say na be ya ochina bi no. Aban pe say osomase eboamu a wetimi etusa mo aboamu. Okay. Ti mumbo modia. Right. Mamema etiefo mrem kakra. Na omo a companies e bia omo so abie ni wo hawa omo famu no mo akache no yenti omo kakra nti abusunya so wabie adwuma bi. Na e bia wo question bi nso bisa no. Efa wadwuma na wabie na nkrankra wa wadwuma ene kwan a omo so befa so atumi aboa mo no de a in terms of registration and other assistance bi kra wo ko renew de wo ya ho nsem bebre ubetumi amiate na wono mo emwa bi a wo bi a wo matumi de aboa wo ewo kasafidie so a but before see ebeko no wo mo so a ewo da yeso wo mani so se ekina bi no maybe company we me da yeso enti edin bi aba mechim bi okro utimi koda atwe ana nyame didin na ma no bom paye sa ana nyame de company din ama no se da ache wo company ni eba ne sa no no so no se ema ni so de but utimi ebe yeto ho emra no se de emra ne che se wo hye odwumidi na ase na wo hye odwumidi na ase no e no nche se wakofa container wakofa nyama bi container wo okay ebi kwa start planning right what start bo usif kakra ebikra GBC an baby e de ahase ni nyina ka planning no okay nti by the time obey sa anima ni nyina ewi na 2 weeks no aso okay nti no abomodin say obi ono obeba no say edin a me pay mo say mo fa mame na ono wakache o say sa din nam dia bibia na so waye dada ba obi so afa dada on register ya unti meka say nam dia bibia okay ne mo fa mezaya de no nto mame Babin kwa hamadu sumra 03220835818358283583 ebusunya ntwetwe komo bia wa bia adwuma registration process bia kra wonyen register e opese obi se omo nsem kakra ene ho yi bia nkomo ayedie no betumi aba na afi ya twetwe enkobo hello minu abeni all right kebwache we bia adwuma mu nsem yenti o
papa no say answer maybe also maybe I'm a person with big company, and person and now also company limited. Obviously, you also need it. One also for baby or baby, no, for fast side, you know, a bay and I say, they might think I bay, you know, that's what we are deciding, you know, bay.
Okay, but that's it. Say, would you kind of register or business? It didn't have the better to know. Your bomb say be protected. One what can register no, and I want register canino. Okay. Say, the bay or chinebino. Enko bo clash and I say enko create confusion emma omo. Okay. Till the moment obi register a din a odi abano. And I say oba ya kire o say obi register dada no. Untimi use sa din no. Emfa. Ye encourage double registrations. Okay. Well, unto oba company inspectors and officers ebe search. Okay. Ahwe your system nim. Ahwe say din no e clash ya and I say ni obi de e okay. And sana wa go ahead. Assign documents no so for further processing. Oh, okay. Inti say din yenu ebe appear system no so dey insida. Okay. All right. Hello. Yemfa next call and so once wo company djuma no ho asem bia obetumi abisa. Hello.
Hello.
Mini odin dey free. Bibi ani. Okay. Ze mo mahu eduru ba bia say Fridays me be chassis Fridays serial callers emfre. But we say line we are now my hijacking a pa. I feel that may 80 different names, different people from different places. Hello?
Yeah, the passion the business companies no. There will be a registered business and it is a Medina so okay.
Wa registered that person was son.
But you can kind no say nanka call an OTM yeah. Emrama ho kwan. Say information bia odi brain no obit my changes okay. First call no ne question no be say me ka bibi kakra kan. For example you feel usu okay oba na say usu bi e wo system no so dada yitimi the number okay eso usu no so say oji pin ya ye the number e be so say na be ya
usu 1
usu 20 usu 25 say na be ya ne other one no difference kakra e be bem okay na enko say be pepe say usu de da bi yenye ni sa
okay all right next caller hello
awo kwa nyame asum genka
enka wonso
pacho kofi buachi ni media ye meyi kofi buachi na nanka me pe no me receipt me ye furniture on na me ye no kofi buachi furniture we
okay
media pesa nanka me pe ki buachi it better be some say once am I receipt ni say no changes wo ho beti na ya fa ho a me pe ki buachi na
okay wa Canada say changes be a person ye efa din ho nyina no de o ma akwanya obetimi abeye sisi ya no oyi ano ntino ya no akoma kache na wa ye de ama you want
na offer meka ka ho
okay
obi wo no ma ni business won register enso na odidi na koye invoice etiamra obi ko to be signboard on register the business no akwa signboard no also register na register no say ase confirm say edin or the amount
okay
amount set and sana business ni din no what you see for anything
okay wow hello okay yemfa last caller na omonya kwanya wuram na yemfa nsi hello
okwa
minia
emwachi
mejosu
ni tachini eso
okay bibini
okay papa ikasa no okase asore die enye profit ni ei pacho meti na kwa ndio bibi anje
say asori ni nya profit no ai say mra kwa mu de nya profit
mra kwa bu ho ase mra kwa wow because enei ushani ma e ko ba nyina mu ni kwa go du enye duma say be obi e bi so na ba ho oja the tum they want but obi ya sorry again millions of cities no accountable na moto na mo yene saa na mo si binum
okay
ni ko pe na ba ko mama jeta mo ni bi kama ba obi kwa me da se
ben so me da se okay so I think say the law emrano ntia but all the same what's it monye asofo
I asofo ni dey un say sene The objective of ACTA no
charity.
Yeah, fan so. In so when you're offering say and when you're ties here, no, na openi wadaruma
right
mija bibi kakra
okay faka on yemfa
requirements
okay
any registration fees no
okay
na requirements ni enema obi hia for business registration
okay
so we yankwankwa adwuma unhia Ghana card otin
okay
unitina yebitima ibiama wo
ewo ho na
okay aside that no yesa hia udwumedi a wudi or activities ye hia business no address
okay
any ufi address
okay
say your company a na we ya say ye de pemfa so ye fan pemfa so a
okay
unhia at least 2 directors
okay
and one secretary omo nyina particulars na odiaba na
okay
wababa be filing ankwankwa adwuma and also proprietorships no registration fee near 130 Ghana cedis
okay
ena esan say nipa bebe na peno ntem and also peno a hare so no ye bie premium service office
okay
no between 72 between 24 to 72 hours
okay na
3 days 3 days
okay
which mean now business
certificates okay
but we try bibi kakra aka normal registration
and amount ni say
and only 650 cedis
650
ankwankwa adwuma no
okay na companies
for companies need dey say ye dey farm pemfa so a
right
490 Ghana cedis which is the normal fee
okay
plus 1300 cedis which is the premium and say express fee
yes sorry the NB 490 na
490 plus 1300 na say ye company ye dey pemfa so a esan say we dey pemfa so ninti no ye je 1% of capital
okay
eka registration fee no stamp duty
okay
and capital no ene be kire
okay right number bi wo hoy bi a omo aka kire no be person be free na oni mo edi nkoma is there any contact that maybe reach up to
maybe trying
farmer na eja ye mobile insurance yebusua office of the registrar of companies na ye no atwetwe nkomo no na wanya briefing bebre about the activities and what you need to do entra hosa number na yes yebusua number na 0244 045 090 0244 045 090 na wafre sounds so your WhatsApp number so you can WhatsApp them too about business in one sense nyina anti open your bedase and open your dase pa na okay na obi bisa question bi I've gotten a message here okay renewal no say eno yaka ho ase
but renewal no ankwankwa adwuma 70 cedis
okay
and for companies no 175 Ghana cedis
175 okay
per year
okay oh that's fine all right yeah that's it Nhyira I don't know opeso can be finally
bibi kakra make account ne say sebi o ye ko ni ye be ye dwedi a yedi ene na ehwe yen
okay
business a wo ye no ado hwe wo ma na wo sie bi e de asi wo dan na wo di bi sie for wo dachi
right
this say what register Ghana card why your health insurance what driver's license are ade na de eboa ema unya wo ho ekoba de usako wano no ade no
on register
on person be register
right
the one asotwi wo ho just that the government is gum kakra under section 7
you be register ode enkasa bibri you be register why Emmanuel Sarfo-Kyei company inspector office of the registrar and then the training come on Nhyira pa amansan Kofi